Bezaba babiri barimu RDCs abaramuzi abebyokwerinda bachairman C5 abebembezi b'eddiini n'abandi kandi omushomo ogwo gubeera ha mbuga nkulu za district ya Rubirizi.
Era tukkiriziganyizza ku biki ebyetaaga okukolebwa okusobola okwongera amaanyi mu mulimu guno nga mu ebyo bye tukkiriziganyizzaako kwe kulaba nti abakulembeze bakolera wamu okubangula abatuuze mu bitundu bino ku bubi era n'engeri gye bayinza okuziyizaamu obuzibu emisango.
Dr. Livingstone Sawanyana ori mukama w'ekitongole kya Foundation of Human Rights Initiative omuyanga lyonna atugambira bimwe n'aha bizibu ebibakulabamu.
Ekisookera ddala be bantu bennyini okumanya obulungi obuli mu kussa ekitiibwa mu mateeka ate era n'eddembe ly'obuntu. Nti abantu abamu batwalira nnyo amateeka mu ngalo. Ekyo kiba kizibu singa okusobola abantu okweyagala nga batwala amateeka mu ngalo kubanga wabaawo abanyigirizibwa n'ababayigiriza.
Jafari Basajja Baraba ori chairman C5 wa Bushenyi ashabira RDCs okutwala ensonga z'emishahara nka kikuru.
How do you consider, because you cannot enhance salaries and allowances for students and districts, and you forget the prison officers and police, and you think things are going to move in the right way.
Karija Benoni ori chairman C5 Mitoma agambira b'ekitongole kya Human Rights ensonga ezimwe ezikuleetera abatsibe bajondera mu bihome batakwenda kuza mu maka gaabo.
Sentence. This one has served the sentence, but going back to conditions are terrible, comes back. The prison is full with cement and tiles. There is the TVs there, I saw it. At home, they don't have a tree.
We Mujuni Power Principal Magistrate wa Kagango mu Rushema hamwe na RDC Bushenyi Atuhire Robert basemera b'ekitongole kya Human Rights abo mu muhango oguba kubakora.
I want to thank Foundation for Human Rights Initiative because ever since you came, there is a difference already being felt in our communities and districts.
Last year they came and helped us. We had congestion in prison, in Shema prison. There was high, remanded were high, and yet the convicts were few.
RDC wa Mtoma Chibuka Francis arabwire bachairman obutakozesa ku b'entebe zaabo obuntu bashara ku emishango omuringo ogutarugo.
Don't abuse your authority by misusing the authority you have. Tinginya muramus mureta and they bring the command and you judge against the man kandi ataineki mushango because noyenda koreko obushoborozi boine okumubonereza.
Bona bachairman babiri bari mu mushomo batungiye certificates hamwe n'obutabo bwa nyuma yo kumara kwigisibwa. Agagasha Olivia na Sasra Rubirizi hamwe na Mitoma wa Sky TV agashonga.
Ensonga y'obugabe bw'abantu n'ensonga nkuru munonga kandi niyo yatitya mu rw'ekika ky'ekubanza.